Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rocky road. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl which is heat proof, and into it place the butter, the golden syrup and the chocolate. Then place this over a saucepan of simmering water and allow it to melt. This may take some time, but give it some time to melt, and then once it starts to melt, continue to stir it until it's smooth and glossy. So once your chocolate mixture is done, you can grab yourself another large mixing bowl, and into it place all of your fillings. I just went with marshmallows, cookies, hobnobs and Oreos, and then give it all a good stir just until everything is fairly distributed. You can then take your chocolate mixture and pour it directly over the top of your fillings. It doesn't matter if you make a bit of a mess here, it's all going to be stirred in anyway. Then you can just take a spatula or a wooden spoon and just start to combine it. It may look like there's not enough chocolate, but don't worry, once you start to mix it, there is more than enough. You will then want to go ahead and grab your lined 8 by 8 inch square tin, and then just pour the mixture into it. It won't fall flat, that's where you'll need to, in just a minute, just flatten it out using your spatula, and you'll want to try and get this as level as possible. It's not going to be perfect, the name is literally Rocky Road. You can then go ahead and place this into the fridge and leave it there for around 6 to 8 hours until it's fully firm. So it's the next day, and as you can tell, here is what the Rocky Road looks like once it's been in the fridge for around 8 hours, and then it just makes it so much easier to cut up and it won't fall apart. You can then go ahead and start to cut up the Rocky Road. You can do this however you like. I found that if you did 16 smaller squares, that works best, as you don't want too much of this in one go, but feel free to cut it up into just 8 bars instead of 16 smaller bite-sized pieces. But again, however you cut it, that's completely up to you. And the fillings, again, they are completely optional and you can change them out. Just use roughly the same amount as what the recipe says. So here is what a piece of the Rocky Road looks like. As you can tell, you've got the cross section here, you can see marshmallow, the hobnob, a bit of Oreo, and that's what's really interesting about this. You'll get a different view with each piece. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to my blog, a direct link to this recipe, and then I will link all of my social medias down below, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.